In the heart of our bustling world, a quiet revolution is taking place. It's not about acquiring more, but about discovering the richness in less. Welcome to the world of frugal living, a journey that transforms not just your wallet, but your entire perspective on life. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of freedom, unburdened by the weight of excess. Picture a life where every purchase is a conscious choice, every possession a cherished item. This isn't about deprivation, it's about liberation. Frugal living is the art of finding abundance in simplicity, of creating wealth through mindful choices. It's a path that leads not just to financial freedom, but to a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. Are you ready to embark on a journey that could revolutionize your relationship with money, possessions, and happiness? Welcome, fellow explorers of intentional living. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through the 7 stages of frugal living, a path that intertwines financial wisdom with the art of mindful minimalism. These stages aren't just steps. They're transformative experiences that will reshape your relationship with money, possessions, and ultimately, your own happiness. From the first glimmer of awareness to the joy of sharing your newfound wisdom, each stage builds upon the last, creating a robust foundation for a life of purpose and contentment. As we navigate through these stages, you'll discover that frugal living isn't about pinching pennies or depriving yourself. Rather, it's about aligning your spending with your values, finding joy in simplicity, and creating space, both physical and mental, for what truly matters. Whether you're drowning in debt, feeling overwhelmed by clutter, or simply seeking a more intentional way of living, these 7 stages offer a roadmap to financial freedom and personal growth. They'll challenge you to question societal norms, confront your own habits, and ultimately, craft a lifestyle that reflects your deepest values. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of mindful minimalism and embrace a life of purposeful abundance? Let's begin our journey through the 7 stages of frugal living. Our journey begins with awareness, the crucial first step in any transformative process. This stage is like waking up from a dream, suddenly noticing the intricate patterns of your financial life that have long been hidden in plain sight. Imagine standing in a room you've inhabited for years, and suddenly, the lights flicker on, revealing dust in corners you never knew existed. That's what financial awareness feels like. You start to notice the small, seemingly insignificant purchases that add up over time. The daily coffee runs, the impulse buys, the subscriptions you barely use. But awareness isn't just about recognizing spending habits. It's about understanding the emotions driving those habits. Are you shopping to fill an emotional void? Spending to keep up with societal expectations? This stage invites you to become a curious observer of your own financial behaviors without judgment. It's also about recognizing the broader impact of your consumption. You might start noticing the environmental cost of fast fashion or the mental clutter caused by excessive possessions. This awakening can be uncomfortable, even overwhelming at times. But remember, awareness is not about shame. It's about empowerment. As you cultivate this awareness, you'll likely feel a stirring desire for change. This is the seed of transformation, the first whisper of a new way of living. Embrace this feeling, for it's the driving force that will propel you through the stages to come. Remember, awareness is an ongoing process. As you progress through your frugal living journey, you'll continually uncover new insights about yourself and your relationship with money. Welcome each revelation as a step towards greater financial mindfulness and personal growth. Now that we've embraced the first stage of awareness, we move into the second stage, evaluation. This is where the magic really begins to happen as you take a closer look at your spending habits and start to differentiate between your needs and wants. Picture this stage as a thoughtful reflection in a serene pond. You're not just skimming the surface, you're diving deep to assess what truly matters in your life. Begin by asking yourself some key questions. What do I genuinely need to live comfortably? What items or experiences bring me joy? And conversely, what am I holding on to out of habit or societal pressure? As you evaluate your financial landscape, Create a clear distinction between needs, those essentials that support your well-being, and wants, which often stem from fleeting desires or external influences. This process can be eye-opening. You might realize that many of your purchases are driven by impulse rather than necessity. Take a moment to reflect on your financial goals as well. Are they aligned with your values? Perhaps you dream of traveling, saving for a home, or building an emergency fund. Understanding what you truly want out of life will help you make more intentional choices about where to allocate your resources. This stage also encourages you to consider the emotional weight of your possessions. Are there items in your home that no longer serve you? Evaluating your belongings can lead to powerful insights about what to keep and what to let go of, paving the way for a more streamlined living space. Remember, evaluation is about clarity and honesty with yourself. It's not about judgment, but rather an opportunity for growth. By understanding your needs versus wants, you're setting the stage for more mindful spending and a deeper connection to your financial journey. Embrace this clarity as it will guide you through the next steps toward a frugal lifestyle filled with purpose and intention. Welcome to Stage 3, Planning, the strategic blueprint of your frugal living journey. This is where awareness and evaluation transform into concrete action through the powerful tool of budgeting. Think of your budget as a personal roadmap, not a restrictive chain. It's a living document that breathes with your financial reality, adapting and shifting as your life changes. The key is creating a budget that feels like a supportive friend, not a harsh dictator. Start by mapping out your essential expenses, those non-negotiable costs like housing, food, utilities, and basic necessities. Then, create intentional categories for savings, personal growth, and occasional treats. The magic happens when you allocate your money with purpose, ensuring every dollar has a meaningful destination. But planning goes beyond just numbers. It's about setting realistic financial boundaries that align with your values. Maybe that means creating a fun fund that allows for occasional experiences without derailing your overall financial goals, or establishing clear limits on discretionary spending that keep you accountable without feeling deprived. Digital tools can be your allies in this stage. Budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook can help you track your progress and stay motivated. The goal isn't perfection, but consistent, mindful progress. Remember, a frugal budget is a living document of your priorities. It reflects not just your financial situation, but your deepest values and aspirations. By crafting a budget that supports your dreams, you're taking a powerful step towards financial freedom and intentional living. Are you ready to turn your financial blueprint into a roadmap of possibility? Welcome to Stage 4, Action, where your newfound awareness, evaluation, and planning come to life in tangible, everyday choices. This is where the rubber meets the road on your journey to frugal living and mindful minimalism. Imagine your life as a garden. You've prepared the soil awareness, chosen your seeds, evaluation, and drawn up your garden plan, budgeting. Now, it's time to plant, nurture, and watch your frugal lifestyle bloom. Start small, but start today. Perhaps it's brewing your coffee at home instead of buying it out. Or maybe it's embracing the 24-hour rule before making non-essential purchases, giving yourself time to reflect on whether you truly need or want an item. Explore the world of secondhand treasures. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and swap meets can become treasure troves of affordable finds. Not only does this save money, but it also reduces waste and gives items a second life, a win for your wallet and the planet. Embrace the art of creative problem solving. Before buying something new, ask yourself, can I repurpose something I already own? Can I borrow it? Can I find a free alternative? This mindset shift turns frugality into an exciting challenge rather than a limitation. Learn to find joy in experiences rather than things. A picnic in the park, a hike in nature, or a game night with friends can bring more lasting happiness than a shopping spree. This is where frugality intersects beautifully with mindfulness, helping you appreciate the present moment. Remember, action is about progress, not perfection. Celebrate your frugal wins, no matter how small. Each mindful choice is a step towards financial freedom and a more intentional life. Are you ready to turn your frugal plans into daily habits that transform your life? Welcome to Stage 5, Adjustment, the phase where your frugal journey becomes a dynamic, evolving adventure. This stage is all about flexibility, fine-tuning, and finding your unique rhythm in the dance of mindful minimalism. Picture yourself as a skilled sailor navigating the open seas of frugal living. You've set your course, but winds change, currents shift, and unexpected waves appear. This is where your ability to adjust becomes crucial. As you implement frugal practices, you'll discover what works for you and what doesn't. Maybe meal prepping saves you money but feels too time-consuming. Or perhaps you find that a complete no-spend month energizes you. This stage is about honoring these discoveries and adjusting your approach accordingly. Be open to experimenting with different frugal strategies. Try a capsule wardrobe for a season, or challenge yourself to a month of zero-waste living. These experiments not only save money but also reveal insights about your preferences and values. Remember, frugality isn't one-size-fits-all. What works for others might not work for you, and that's perfectly okay. This stage is about crafting a personalized approach to frugal living that feels sustainable and joyful. Pay attention to your emotional responses as you adjust. If certain frugal practices leave you feeling deprived or stressed, it's a sign to reassess and modify. The goal is to create a lifestyle that feels abundant, not restrictive. Don't be afraid to revisit earlier stages as you adjust. Maybe you need to reevaluate your needs and wants, or tweak your budget. This cyclical process is natural and helps refine your frugal living approach. Embrace the art of mindful flexibility. As your life circumstances change, a new job, a move, or a shift in family dynamics, your frugal strategies may need to evolve too. This adaptability ensures your frugal lifestyle remains relevant and supportive. Are you ready to fine-tune your frugal journey and create a lifestyle that truly resonates with you? Stage 6. Sustainability is all about making your frugal habits a permanent part of your lifestyle. This stage is where the seeds you've planted begin to take root, growing into a flourishing garden of mindful living that endures over time. Sustainability in frugal living means creating systems and routines that support your financial goals without feeling like a chore. It's about finding joy in these practices so that they become second nature. Start by integrating frugal habits into your daily life in ways that feel effortless. Consider meal planning as an example. By dedicating a little time each week to plan your meals, you not only save money but also reduce food waste and make healthier choices. This simple habit can transform your relationship with food and finances, turning grocery shopping into a mindful experience rather than a last-minute scramble. Automate savings by setting up direct deposits into a savings account or using budgeting apps that help track your spending effortlessly. When saving becomes automatic, it removes the temptation to spend impulsively and reinforces your commitment to financial independence. Another key aspect of sustainability is community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your values of frugality and mindfulness. Join local groups or online forums where you can exchange tips, share successes, and find support. This sense of belonging can motivate you to stay committed to your frugal lifestyle. Regularly revisit your goals and reflect on your progress. Celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's paying off debt, achieving a savings milestone, or simply enjoying the peace of mind that comes from living within your means. Acknowledging these achievements reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. Remember, sustainability is about balance. It's perfectly fine to indulge occasionally or spend on experiences that bring you joy. The goal is to create a lifestyle that feels rich and fulfilling while remaining aligned with your values. Are you ready to cultivate sustainable habits that will keep your frugal living journey thriving for years to come? The final stage of our frugal living journey is sharing, a powerful moment of transformation where your personal growth becomes a beacon of inspiration for others. Sharing isn't about preaching or lecturing. It's about authentically communicating your experiences, vulnerabilities, and insights. Your frugal living journey becomes a narrative that can inspire and guide others seeking financial freedom and mindful living. Start small. Share your story with friends and family. Maybe it's a conversation about how you saved money on groceries or discovered the joy of minimalism. These personal anecdotes can spark curiosity and create meaningful dialogues about conscious consumption. Social media and online platforms offer incredible opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals. Consider creating content that documents your frugal living experiences, blog posts, short videos, or Instagram stories that showcase practical tips and genuine moments of your journey. But sharing goes beyond just talking about money. It's about demonstrating a lifestyle that values experiences over possessions, purpose over consumption. Your actions become a powerful form of communication, showing others that frugal living isn't about deprivation, but about creating a life rich in meaning and intentionality. Mentorship can be another profound way of sharing. Offer guidance to someone struggling with financial challenges. Your insights could be the catalyst that helps someone transform their relationship with money and possessions. Remember, every person you inspire creates a ripple effect. Your journey of frugal living can potentially impact families, communities, and even contribute to a broader cultural shift towards more sustainable and mindful consumption. The beauty of this final stage is that your personal growth becomes a gift to others, a testament to the transformative power of intentional living. Are you ready to become a beacon of inspiration in the world of frugal living? As we wrap up our exploration of the 7 stages of frugal living, let's reflect on the transformative journey you've embarked upon. From the initial spark of awareness to the profound act of sharing your experiences, each stage has equipped you with tools to cultivate a more mindful and intentional lifestyle. Awareness opens your eyes to your spending habits, while evaluation helps you distinguish between what you need and what you want. Planning creates a roadmap for your financial journey, and action brings those plans to life through everyday choices. Adjustment allows you to fine-tune your approach, ensuring it remains relevant and fulfilling. Sustainability solidifies these habits into your daily routine, and sharing empowers you to inspire others on their own journeys toward financial freedom. Together, these stages create a rich tapestry of mindful minimalism that not only enhances your life, but also contributes to a more conscious community. If you found value in this journey, explore more videos on our channel that delve deeper into minimalism, frugal living, and intentional lifestyles. Each video is designed to inspire and support you as you continue on your path to a simpler, more fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us today.